DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Yeah, man, we see who else we gonna react to. I got a couple more some more react to. Actually, on react to Valiant, Beer and Salt. You see me? No, people not used to me going live at this time. I can see, cause usually we do late night stream and shit, gang. We usually be late as hell in here, but people there, we still there with a vibe. I try it out an idea. You see me? But yeah, man. But check out Valiant, Beer and Salt. This one gone viral, cause you see me. I'll dance and anything they make out a beer and salt. And I also know say yo, this one started with the whole Alice crab incident in Hero Circle. You see me? So we're gonna check this one out. I was been gonna react to it like normally, but me say, yeah, go on breeze and go on wait, see what I go on. But yeah man, Valiant, Beer and Salt. Let me swear that. You see me on the track. Let's get it, gang. Valiant now to promote the song there, dog. You see me on the song that one song that make them vex I had.
Yo, short man. Pull up push through. Yo, King Cam, get your camera there.
I mean, hear certain things happen every day, you know, I'm interested to check out, you know. You see me, they go and be, we'll see where that going. Cause a lot of people talk about the video.
Today me I got through a rough part.
Okay, alright. Now me here when the thing takes a lot of alright.
Today me I got through a rough part. Fly out and get one rough start. Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and enough salt. I want blood.
Beer and enough salt. Mix up. Okay, so mix up with that I talk about. Okay, alright.
Off. Stay far from beer and enough salt. I want blood clot. I saw the media love that. Protect myself with a 9 and a chip clock. Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. Mix up.
Okay, they go the first diss. I heard that people been talking about. Say yo, in this TJ. Say yo, mark them a link when they can't find a hit song. Because apparently this song here is produced by Mark himself. Alright.
Put a 9 and a chip clock. Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song.
Yo,
mix up medieval involve. I saw you a go live long.
Mix up medieval involve. What am I trying to say? A joke. He's just running joke. I must say, yo, him say, mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. Mix up, me can't even, me not involve. Alright, okay, me mix up.
Yo, me not high. I have a blood clot. You me catch a fly. Some of them blagger, you hungry, no fuck and nah live no life.
Some of them blagger, you broke and nah live no life. I dead for thirst. And funny, you know. Jeffrey like promote tequila, you know. Tequila. Yeah, you know? And if you say yo dog thirsty, broke and thirsty is hilarious. You see me? Because it's just sound like Jeffrey. I feel like Valiant catching the ass with the song, you know. Because him said anything there on purpose. He say, yo, mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. Then the man say, mix up medieval involved. Because he know say, only they gonna take that shit and run with it. Valiant smart. You know, so when they gonna take the line there and say, oh man, this DJ, I'll take. Valiant a laugh after all. I see him to him say with the Jeffrey thing. You see me? A joke. You know, so people say, oh, Valiant this all vloggers. Valiant smarter than the man. Valiant smarter than in catch you know.
Blagger, you hungry, no fuck and nah live no life. Nah, show no homage to nobody with that hold me back. Not only that. And if a badness does start, me load me strap.
And at that, when them say yo is a popcorn this, and say me nah show no homage to nobody with and even hold me back. I hate that. And if I war, me know some load me oh shit, come on.
Not only that.
Come on, I hear that man.
Nah show no homage to nobody with that hold me back. Not only that. And if a badness does start, me load me strap. I see them lurking on my IG. I know your profile private. All of this was a dream, but you can't get.
Yo, Shay's been throwing here, dog. I mean, you know, some people are gonna take certain things around with it, bro. You know that shit, gang.
It flows and finding. Today me I got you a rough path. Fly out and get one rough start. Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and no salt.
Mix up. Yeah, man, the man create a song here for no chat. In catch you know.
I wear the blood glass. I saw the media love that. So what the problem? Everything me sing you I go ban them. Just I do this for the fans them. My daughter the anthem.
See man talk to the government and say what the problem every song we sing I go ban them. What the problem? I fan them, I do this for you know. You see me? So if not fan leave me music alone.
We have broke all the rules and bring out the new dance hall.
Alright.
Fly out my baby, my baby, yeah.
Which is right. The man say, yo, man, I broke all the rules and bring out the new dance hall. Which is right. You can't blame him, bro. Can't blame him because all the other ones in before did the same thing. They broke the rules and created a new dance hall. No, I feed them time. You can't blame him, man. No, dog. You see me? I mean, like, you dog say that. So you can't say nothing to a young youth them do right now. They have broke the rules to change up the game.
Going to a Ruben. Mama says she wanna come, but my body new bands. Tick tock, me a scroll, get a lion today. You're shining.
You know, say tick tock, me a get a lion today, just like that. Come, you know.
Today me I got you a rough part. Fly out and get one rough start. So me brush it off. And if I know the media love that.
Man say, no media love tag. Man create the one that mix up, man. He create the song I read specifically for mix up. No get through.
Diplomats, flick your butt.
Yeah, man. That's crazy, bro. Man catching a blowout. Come on, man. Valiant trickle. I got salt to be flag my youth. How can I think that? Eh? Easy. What country?
Yeah, Ruben. Yeah.
Jeffrey just chilling in the cut, drinking his tequila here. Yo, Jeffrey no left in tequila, you know, bro. I know they paying that nigga a bag to advertise on this shit, dog. No cap. Yeah, man. Valiant, beer and salt. Yeah, man, that do him thing, man. Dope ass track. It's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? That make the one if you want to talk specifically, bro. You can't tell, bro. You see me? You can just tell. The man make the one there for the chat. The man say, you know, so I'm going to mention this, I mention that. You know, you see what I go on in the media. Valiant trick no blow, man. When you get tricked, man. Yeah, man. Man sharp, man. TJ good. Nah, no beef. You see me? I just people. But yeah, man, guy. Yeah, man. That Valiant beer and salt. I got you, OG. I got your tongue line.